Do you lose time by printing different file sizes? With HP Click, connected to a DesignJet Studio T200 or T600 series, HP has defined a new level of radically easy printing. Let's see how it works. It's just one click away. Drag and drop multiple files. In the print settings, the new feature Automatic Source Selection is already selected. You will also want to keep the setting Clip Content by Margin. Now HP Click is doing the rest of the work for you. All the A1 files are automatically grouped and sent to the roll. And all the A3 files are grouped and sent to the tray. The only job left for you to do is swing by the printer, pick up your printouts, and join your meeting ready to go. Get the most out of your agile workflow, because printing has never been so easy with HP Click.